Welcome to our Sharp Microwave Repair Guide. Today we'll be learning all about error codes, troubleshooting, and repair tips. It may be difficult to take all of this in at once, but you can check out our website for more help and information. Good luck! If you're looking for help fixing your Sharp microwave, look no further. Our comprehensive Sharp Microwave Error Code Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code EE1, EE2, problem, magnetron failure. Code EE3, problem, both magnetrons failed. Code EE4, R23GT, R24GT, and R25JT only. Problem, the voltage is too high. Code EE5, R23GT, R24GT, and R25JT only. Problem, the voltage is too low. Code EE6, EE10, EE16, problem, thermistors failure. Code EE7, problem, exhaust air temperature too high. Code EE8, problem, circuit failure. Code EE9, problem, maximum time is exceeded. Code EE0, problem, fan lock error. Code EE17, problem, magnetron temperature too high. If you're looking for help fixing your Sharp microwave, look no further. Our comprehensive Sharp Microwave Troubleshooting Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. The CPU inside your Sharp microwave oven controls the cooking program, timer, carousel, and all input from the control panel. A problem with the CPU can cause the oven to malfunction, preventing you from cooking or reheating your food. You can reset the CPU or cancel the current program to try and clear the problem. CPU errors are commonly caused by a power surge or software problem when entering instructions into the control panel. Step 1. Tap the Stop, Clear button a few times. This cancels the current program and clears any erroneous input confusing the CPU. Re-enter your cooking instructions and press the Start Minute Plus button. The cooking cycle won't begin until you press the Start button. Step 2. Ensure the CPU isn't in lockout mode. Sharp microwave ovens prevent children or unauthorized people from using the CPU with a lock feature. Press the clock button, followed by 1, then hold Start for 3 seconds. Safe appears on the screen once the microwave CPU is activated. Repeat these steps to restore the child lock. Step 3. Press clock, then 0, then hold Stop. Clear for 3 seconds. Demonstration mode is designed to show off the oven's features while the appliance is on display in the store. You won't be able to cook food while demo mode is running, although the oven will light up and hum. Step 4. Disconnect the microwave from the power supply for a minute. The CPU could be scrambled by a power surge or fault while you're entering information into the control panel. Plug the CPU back in after a minute. The LCD display will light up and the CPU should work again. If you're looking for help fixing your Sharp microwave, look no further. Our comprehensive Sharp Microwave Repair Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, Sharp manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Sharp appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. My Sharp microwave want heat diode. The diode converts the AC power output of the transformer to DC, doubling the voltage to nearly 5.000 volts. This high voltage powers the magnetron to heat the food. If the diode burns out, the magnetron won't receive enough voltage to operate, preventing the microwave from heating. When the diode fails, it is often visibly burned out. Inspect the diode, and if the diode is burned out, replace it. If inspecting the diode proves inconclusive, test it with a multimeter that uses a 9-volt battery or put a 9-volt battery in series with the diode. When the leads are reversed, the diode should only have continuity in one direction. Warning: the microwave oven can store a lethal amount of electricity in its high-voltage capacitor, even after the microwave oven has been unplugged, due to the high running voltage and the potential for electric shock. It is extremely dangerous to replace the electronic components in a microwave. Only a licensed technician should replace the diode. Sharp microwave not working. Line fuse. If too much current passes through the microwave circuitry, the line fuse will blow. If the line fuse blows, the microwave won't start. To determine if the line fuse is at fault, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the fuse does not have continuity, replace it. In addition, you should investigate and resolve the problem that caused the fuse to blow. If you don't resolve the underlying issue, the new fuse will blow too. Caution: the microwave oven can store thousands of volts of electricity in its high-voltage capacitor. Even after the microwave oven has been unplugged, due to the potential for electric shock, it is extremely dangerous to replace the electronic components in a microwave. Only a licensed technician should replace the line fuse. Sharp microwave light bulb not working. Light bulb. The light bulb itself might be burned out. Replace the light bulb before replacing any of the parts associated with the light bulb. Sharp microwave shuts off after a few seconds. Door switch. A door switch might be failing intermittently. Check each of the door switches for signs of overheating, arcing, or burning. If you don't see any obvious signs of failure, use a multimeter to test each switch for continuity. If any of the switches is visibly damaged or only has intermittent continuity, replace it. Sharp microwave turntable not turning. Turntable motor. Use a multimeter to test the motor for continuity. If the turntable motor does not have continuity, replace it. Sharp microwave buttons not working. Touchpad. To determine if the touchpad is defective, try pressing each of the buttons on the control panel. If some of the buttons respond correctly while others don't, replace the touchpad. Sharp microwave display not working. Main control board. If the display goes out partially, the display board is more commonly at fault. If the display isn't working at all, either the main control board or the display board could be at fault. Sharp microwave turns on by itself. Main control board. First, make sure that the touchpad is working properly. If the touchpad is working properly, the main control board is likely at fault. If the control board is defective, replace it. Sharp microwave is sparking or arcing. Waveguide cover. The waveguide cover might be damaged and shorted out. Try removing the waveguide cover and see if the problem resolves. If the waveguide cover is burnt or will not stay in place, replace it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more repair guides.